Hello and welcome to EGW Writings Tech Tips. I'm your host, Daryl Thompson. Thank you for joining us today in another of our series on learning how to use the EGW Writings 2 app on the iPad. Now what we're going to take a look at today is proximity searching. Now what proximity is, it means that if I take, say, two words and I want them to be within a certain range or spacing of each other, I can actually set that limit within the search parameters. Now to be able to show you how to do that, let's jump right into the app and let me demonstrate. I have open in front of me the EGW Writings 2 app for the iPad, and I'm going to tap on the little tiny search magnifying glass in the top right hand corner. And I'm going to look for two words. Now I'm going to type faith, and the syntax wording for proximity is near, which makes sense, and then I'm going to put a little / in, and then I'm going to put the number of spacing between the words, so let's put in 5, and then I'm going to put in the word side. So I've got faith, near, /5 in a space, and then side. And then I'm going to hit return, and you can see here that I have every time faith and side within 5 words of each other. Now, if I come up here and increase that, let's say, to 10 words, you should now see sometimes bigger spaces between the word faith and side. So like in this example, you can see that I'm about 8 words apart, and then in the previous example, I have faith and side only 4 words apart. So you can go in right into here, and you can use the proximity matching search to find words close or far apart within a paragraph by using the proximity search filter. Alright, so I've been able to demonstrate to you how to use proximity searching on the iPad to find words either within a certain distance close together or further away by using the near / and then the number of words that they must appear within each other in the close proximity of each other. So thanks for joining us for another tech tip. Have a nice day now. Bye.